Okay, guys and gals, we got the 50 pan outside. It looks real good as a roller. That's pretty much what it would look like in 1950, minus the disc brakes, a few little things. But that's how it looks with the big fenders on it, and it do look good. Also, if you like what I do, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also, I need a few watch hours. I need like 30 watch hours so I can get monetized, so I can buy more cameras, more equipment, stuff like that, and do more videos. But anyway, please just turn it on in your shop, let it play, let it reel, whatever they call it. That'll help me tremendously. It doesn't cost you anything. Like I said, I can buy more cameras and do more stuff if you like this kind of stuff. And I'll give it back to the fans. Whatever I do, I'll do for the fans. And I certainly appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this. We'll get our motor and stuff on it and get back on it next. But that's how it would look. I like it better than the Springer and the dirt bike rim on it. But anyway, that's the 1950 panhead. That's a big difference in that and the 48. Anyway, if you don't mind, turn it on real. Just let it run in your shop or whatever, That helps YouTube with the moniker, they say. I don't know. I'm trying to learn all this. But anyway, that'd be a good looking bike right there, and it will be one day. Anyway, thanks for everything. Thanks for all your support. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. See ya.